Sound check. Test mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Test mic. Okay, good evening to all. And tuloy natin ating pag-review for the Master Plumber Board Exam. And after a week ng more than a week of busy days, balik tayo. And this is the last session for part 4 for a while. So kung magkakaroon pa tayo ng ibang mga topics na reviewer questionnaires, tutuloy natin. Pero lilipat na tayo sa part 3 na plumbing codes after this session. Then, yan, ito yung ating sunod na Master Plumber Review Part 4, Practical Problems and Experiences 376 to 405. So, before we proceed, I encourage you to subscribe to this MCGI YouTube channel. Excuse me. YouTube channel, yan. It's more than 500,000 subscribers. And yan, thank you po nga pala sa mga bago nating subscribers. Si Giovanni Mabiskay, Tasmia Warren Rascal Mendim, Francis Titerd Belandres, and Abigail Rivera. Yan, thank you sa pag-subscribe at sa tiwala na makakagain kayo ng knowledge. And then, let us congratulate. Although, hindi pa naman ito huli, no? Congratulate natin yung nag-subscribe dati, nakinig ng ating review. Yan, si Sir Francis Ray Narusking and Pamela Joy Montero. Yan. Kapasa sila sa Master Plumber Board Exam noong July 2022, no? Ang sabi ni Sir Ferdinand Ray Narusking, thanks po sir, pumasa po ako. Maraming lumabas sa content niyo. Yun. At saka sabi naman ni Sir Ma'am Pamela Joy Montero, sure, thank you for making review videos. Just passed the MP exam. Sobrang laking tulong ng videos nyo. God bless po sa inyo, sir. So, thank you for the appreciation sa ginagawa nating review. And, yan. Na-appreciate din natin yung kanilang mga pagbati, yung pagpapasalamat sa atin. And hopefully, yung mga review videos na to makatulong pa sa mga mag-e-exam in the near future. Okay, tuloy na tayo sa ating part 4, 376. An operator isolates a motor from an operable system of repair. It is vital that he or she follow a blank and blank procedure. The answer is ito. Ginagamit to sa safety. Lock out, tag out. Yan. When an operator isolates a motor from an operable system of repair, it's vital that he or she follow a lock out and tag out procedure. So, nilalag out yan, lock out yan, sinatag out para for safety reasons. Para maiwasan ng disgrasya. No? 377. What is the minimum setback distance for fire hydrants to avoid large vehicle overhang? The answer is, what's the answer? Bakit hindi siya? Yun. 2 feet. Yan. 2 feet down. No? Yan. What is the minimum setback distance for fire hydrants to avoid large vehicle overhang? The answer is 2 feet. 378. And taking a storage facility out of service, you must what? Answer. Ako, mahaba na naman yung sagot sa tanong. No? Well, yan. Mahaba ka ng sagot. When taking a storage facility out of service, You must coordinate, plan the shutdown so that the distribution system will be able to meet customers' demand. So yeah, 379. The pipeline flushing process tends to remove most deposits, incrustation, sediments, and other debris. Customers should be notified to expect blank after the flushing operations is completed. And what is the answer? Ayan. A residual amount of sediment coming into the dwelling for at least a few hours so it would be best to flush their own lines when noticed. Haba din ang sagot na bahala na tayong mag-review sa mga magre-review. Yan. The pipeline flushing tends to remove most deposit, incrustation, sediments, and other debris. Customers should be notified to expect a residual amount of sediment coming into the dwelling for at least few hours so it would be best to flush their own lines when noticed. Yan. 380. A water heater is by definition an appliance for blank. Answer natin ay supplying hot water for domestic and commercial purposes. Yan. A water heater is by definition an appliance for supplying hot water for domestic and commercial purposes. Yun. Bago tayo magpatuloy, yun, sa mga nanonood, kung meron man po, mga civil engineers residing, working in Caloocan City, I encourage you to join in this group. Now, nasa 23 members na siya, no? Pero I will check yung kanilang valid nila. Kasi as per bylaws, we need 23 members, regular members or active members of PICE para makapag-establish ng bagong chapter. So, yun. Para yan, marami tayong gagawin dyan. Sana mag-join po kayo. So, yan. Tayo sa 381. Chlorine cylinder fitting slightly leaks around the gasket materials. A gauge-like material soaked in blank should be used below the fitting to confirm the leak at the joint. The answer is, ano nga ba ang sagot? Answer is ammonia. No? Ammonia water. Yan. When a 150 chlorine cylinder fitting slightly leaks around the gasket material, a gauge-like material soaked in ammonia water should be used below the fittings to confirm the leak at the joint. Yan, 382. The flood floor required for extinguishing in every story for habitation and recreation building. The answer, dapat kasi 200 square meter. The flood floor required for extinguishing in every story for habitation and recreation building. The answer is 200 square meter. 383. Powered or administered the RA 1378. The answer is this board of master plumber. Power or administered the RA 1378 is the board of master plumber. 385. Oh, 385 tayo. Wait lang. Yan, it sets the criteria of the quality of drinking water. Answer is national standard for drinking water. It sets the criteria of the quality of drinking water, the national standard for drinking water. 385. This shape is used in comfort room signage for visually impaired women. It is usually located at the side of the comfort room. Answer is circle. Circle ba talaga? Oh, pa-double check na lang natin to, no? And 386, this shape is used to determine the men's comfort room. The answer is triangle. Yun. May background. Sorry for the delay. Yan, bago tayo magpatuloy. Yan. For hotel bookings and reservation nationwide, you can call in that number. So, yan. Red Door, San Susel, and affiliates. 387. In the revised PD 1096, known as the National Building Code, one of its provision is the limitation of practice of a master plumber to sign and seal how many units of fixtures. The answer is 20. Yan. May limitations pala yung pagpirma ng master plumbers. No? It's only 20 unit of fixtures. Oh, yan. 388. A person who holds his master plumber license who may contract work, pull permits, and employ journeyman plumbers. The answer is this. Master is the answer. A person holds his master plumber license. Uy. Yan. A person holds his master plumber license who may contract work, pull permits, and employ journeyman plumbers. The answer is master. 389. A type of material prohibited in the design of septic tank. The answer is wood. So, bawal pala yung wood material sa septic tank. Po, kasi na-experience ko nung bata ako. Inaapakan dun sa parang ewan ko kung wood yata yun or may nahulog sa septic tank mismo. Sa may digestive chamber, nagwawalis siya. May marupok na. Hulog siya dun. Sa septic tank. Babae pa naman gawa. O yan, kaya bawal yung wood. 390. An area at the church altar that discharges wastewater. Usually, this wastewater is in the form of holy water that must be disposed on the ground. The answer is sacrarium. An area at the church altar that discharges wastewater. Usually, this wastewater is in the form of holy water that must be disposed on the ground. The answer is sacrarium. 391. It's the boiling point of water. So, yan. Alam na natin yan. Mga engineer, alam nyo na yan. 100 degrees Celsius. So, pag boiling point, 100 degrees Celsius. Pag freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. It's the boiling point of water. The answer is 100 degrees Celsius. It happens when water is heated. 392. The answer is volume increases. And it happens when water is heated. The answer is volume increases. 393. It serves as a vacuum breaker for the boiler tubes. Answer is siphon hole. It serves as a vacuum breaker for the boiler tube. The answer is siphon hole. Type of tank which is cylindrical in shape is used for small hot water supply with a size of 0.3 meters diameter, 2.6 meters diameter, the maximum length of 1.8 meters. It's made from stainless steel sheets and it's usually installed either in horizontal or vertical position. What is the answer? Answer is this hot storage tank. It's the type of tank which is cylindrical in shape. It's used for small hot water supply with a size of 0.3 meter diameter and 2.6 meter diameter, a maximum length of 1.8 meters. It's made from stainless steel sheets and is usually installed either in a horizontal or vertical position. The answer is hot storage tank. Okay, tingnan natin. Baka wala na tayo sa stream. Daldal pa tayo. Daldal. Iyon. Ganda naman. Naka-add stream naman. Okay, tuloy tayo. It delivers water from storage tank to building sir. The answer is main distribution pipeline. It delivers water from storage tank to building sir. The answer is main distribution pipeline. 396. Passes through the boiler's tube which is usually made from copper. The answer is cold water supply. So, kanina, ito kanina. Main distribution pipeline, no? Delivers water from storage tank to building served. Main distribution pipeline. From storage tank to building served. Ngayon, passes through the boiler's tube which is usually made from copper. The answer is cold water supply. 397. It's the tube connected from the heater to the storage tank. Answer is flow connection. It's the tube connected from the heater to the storage tank. The answer is flow connection. 398. Yan, ito is always accessible near to the pipe serve. The answer is storage tank. It's always accessible near to the pipe serve. The answer is storage tank. 399. Yun, malapit na. It's located at the side of the storage tank near the bottom. Answer is heater. It is located at the side of the storage tank near the bottom. The answer is heater. Yun. Ayaw gumana ng yun naman pala. Yan. Yan is located at the side of the storage tank near the bottom. The answer is heater. 400. Sumobra tayo ng 5 dito kasi yung filter ko na doble yung iba. Pero okay lang. No? It's connected from the bottom of the hot storage water tap to return the cold water to the heater. The answer is bang sagot. Return connection. It is connected from the bottom of hot storage water tap to return the cold water to the heater. The answer is return connection. 401. It's a horizontal pipe where the return riser is being connected going back to the heater. Wah, parang ganun yung tanong. The answer is regulating return. Yan na, it's a horizontal pipe where the return riser is being connected going back to the heater. The circulating return. Balikan natin yung 400. It's connected from the bottom of hot storage water tank to return the cold water to the heater. Yun. So, return connection yung sagot. 402, it's the system when larger diameters of pipes are located at the bottom of the riser. The answer is a feed distribution system. So, mga tinanong na yan dati, no? Downfeed, a feed distribution system. It's the system when larger diameters of pipe are located at the bottom of the riser. The answer is a feed distribution system. 403, this where the hot water pipeline returns to the heater. The answer is return riser. It's where the hot water pipeline returns to the heater. Return riser. And 404, the size of return riser is blank size of the flow riser. The answer is 1/2. The size of the return riser is 1/2 the size of the flow riser. So 1/2. And last question for this, accessibility law for PWDs. Answer is BP 344. Ayan. BP 344. Yun. Kung meron kayong comment, suggestion, and correction in this video or in the other videos and reviews, so don't hesitate to chat in the comment section or email notsoteki@gmail.com or at Facebook at notsoteki or in the following numbers. No? We also offer architectural and engineering design and consultancy services. And we are architects and engineers. So, yun. Thank you very much sa mga nakinig, nanood ng videos na ito, and I hope makatulong sa pag-review at hopefully makapasa po kayo kagaya nila Ferdz Nazario and Pamela Joy Montero. Good luck sa inyo. We have marami tayong panahon para mag-review for the Master Plumber Board Exam in February 2023. Good luck and thank you very much.